Hello and welcome. Now I'm going to take you through a journey of cleaning up and restoring these old Mickey Thompson Pontiac valve covers. I'm going to show you how I'm going to do it. Maybe not step by step. I'm going to give you a little bit of instruction with it, but I'm lucky enough to have access to a job where I can use a shop. It's going to make this a lot easier for me. Now, if you're wanting to do this, you don't have to do exactly the way I'm doing it, but it should give you some ideals and stuff on how you, if you want to do this too. So you can see how these look now. You know, pretty nasty, dirty, and such. They're really not that bad of shape. But these are old because these were on this car when I was a kid back in the 90s. So, yeah, they could be far worse. But, yeah, clean these up, make these look great because they're going back on this car when I get the engine in. And I want them to look great. So, I'm going to take these to the shop. I'll take you along with me. Now what I'm going to end up doing is go ahead and take these, put them in the blaster. Now all I'm going to do is use a DE1616 Pontiac metallic blue. I'm going to put a few coats over the top. Make sure I get in between the fins, around the letters, because I'm going to polish the rest of it. Now, of course, some people dislike it all one color. It's fine. But I'm going to go ahead and just coat just that top bit so that when I polish it, well, you'll see how it looks. This may seem a bit extreme to some, but you know what? It is what it is, and it's a little cold outside. And I'm trying to cure it between coats a little bit better. Now I ended up changing the paint to the 1610 Pontiac blue because it stands out more and it's going to look a lot better than that 1616 metallic. It was just too light, looked too silver. And this right here, when I do this, it's going to make this thing stand out and pop. You don't have to do the things the way I'm doing it, but what I'm using is this Rapid Finish here. This is NEX 2SF. And this will smooth it down so I can buff everything and polish it. Pretty quick, simple process. Since I've done polishing so long, this is like the easiest way I found to do it rather than, you know, a 10, 12 step process. This is basically a 2-step. And yeah, I'm just gonna clean this off so it can be ready to be buffed, and the sides. I'll just flip it over and do the other side, and you can see how it's turning out now. Now comes the fun part. Green buffing rouge. And this nice big old buffing pad. Forget how much it throws. Yeah, the older aluminum doesn't always buff the best, but you know what? I got my reflection in there, and I'm going to keep doing that, and then get the top. these things are done. Now they're not perfect by any means, but they'll do the trick. As you can see, way cleaner on the inside there. I still gotta wipe them down with some Windex, stuff like that, but yeah, that's finished product right there. For this, I could have done probably better if I spent a lot more time on it, but it ain't a show car. I didn't want to spend another, well, I probably spent like an hour maybe on these. And if I want to do a show finish, I could have probably done it. It took some time to take it all down, probably weld in some of the pits and all that good stuff and defects, but nah, it's going to be a driver. So yeah, there's the other one. It's still, they got enough shine on them that it's good enough. So maybe that'll give y'all an idea for some of y'all, but I will show you what they look like on the Bonneville if you haven't seen that yet. Now these are the Holly version, but they're a little dusty. And honestly, these are probably in better shape to start with than the Mickey Thompsons I have. But yeah, they'll look good on there. So there it is. Hope you enjoyed this video. As always, thanks for watching.